and welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha and this is the Budget Mum UK. Today I am doing my cash stuffing for July, the second week of July, for my side hustle. So that's Etsy and my other new side hustle. And I've got a really nice amount this week because I got my biggest sale ever on Etsy. So come and find out about that with me. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha. I'm a mum to 2 children and this is my journey with all my side hustles, my hacks, my hints, my tips, my everything else to make sure that I live a really good life for myself and my children. I quit my full-time teaching job. I'm doing part-time things. I'm doing my own little side business of Etsy, and I am a self-employed private tutor as well. I want to live a good life. I don't want to spend it doing the 9 to 5 or whatever else, just tied to somebody else's schedule. This is about me doing those things and having an amazing life as well. So if you think that is for something of interest to you, I would absolutely love it if you would hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up like icon, and then go ahead and hit the bell icon too, so that you know every single time I upload a video. If you're already subscribed, you're a legend and I love you. Thank you so much. Mwah, because that's right. This is my biggest, rephrase, it's not the biggest amount I've ever had from Etsy, but this is the biggest, it includes the biggest individual purchase. Somebody, and I'm not going to say the name in case they don't want me to say it, but some more things. There's very little left in my store that hasn't already been sent to this person. So I'm feeling very grateful for that, and I'm so thankful for what you do. Honestly, it makes such a massive impact on me and my children's lives. It means I can do all the things I can do. It means I can still enjoy spending time with my children, which is really what this whole journey and process was about. So thank you, just thank you. Basically, I can't say any more than that. And it's blessing as well because, like I said, I'm planning on closing down for a couple of weeks from this weekend, just so I can get out with the children, spend some time, and we're not worrying about rushing back and everything else. So thank you very much indeed. So the amount that I actually received, I've just lumped it all together because I'm a genius. So I'm just gonna go Etsy and hustle because I've not gone into that. I'm making a video about my new side hustle, which you might be able to do some of it yourself, and it's really easy to do without cost as well, so I love it. But yeah, I didn't bring home, sorry, this was from the 11th of the 7th. The amount I got paid altogether, £362.15. Now the other good thing about the side hustle is that I can still keep that running in the background. I mean, it's not always really it's not taking off loads, and I'm not promoting it. That's the other thing as well. I'm not like using TikTok, I'm not using YouTube, I'm not using Facebook. I've just left it sitting there. So I think if I tried, I might actually get more sales. But anyway, there we have it. We've got tax to come off of that. Now, do you know what? On my list of things, how many times have I said I'm getting a new calculator? Or at least I keep intending on doing it, and I've not done it because it keeps doing weird things and it just annoys me. This is Holly's scientific calculator and I have to press this button every single time. Right, where are we at? £90, and we'll call it £90.50. We'll keep that for that. And then reinvestment 362.15 times that. We'll do 72.40. Rounding down, so that was a bit naughty, isn't it? So 362.15, take away the £90.50, and then I'm going to take away the 72.40, which leaves me 199.25. Should I then round that to 200? I'm going to go with yes, I am. And there we go. I'm going to round that to 200. Okay, so let's have a look at that, count it out, make sure it's all there, and then we'll see where I'm going to be putting that money. Okay, so £200 is what we should have here. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. So this usually goes all between my challenges and my big dreams. So we're going to start with the challenges one, because I don't actually think I've got a load to do. I feel like I really ought to get some in that debt because I wasn't able to put any in last week. But I just want to have a quick... I had a quick think about this one and thought about taking some of the change out, and not to keep, but like switching it up with some of the notes so that then I could do a different one and I could maybe use some of the change in my penny challenge, just because this is quite heavy. And I know I did a bit of switcheroo the other day, but let's see, I'm gonna just move this out because there's loads of coins in here. And that's the good thing about these zippers, is that you can put the coins in. Oh, random 10 pence. But obviously they still get heavy. What have we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I put... So I'm not really getting rid of loads. I mean, what else have I got here? I've got 50, 60, 70, 80. All right, well... I'm trying to think in my head. It's not working. 1, 2, 3, 4... 5. Got 5 there. I'll take that other 5 out and put a tenner in. There we go. My brain wasn't working then. But I can use this then to do my penny challenge, so that's okay. That's right, isn't it? No, that can't be right. There should be another 3 back in there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right now. That's right now. Right, I'll switch that up. Then, what am I thinking then? Because the whole point was I was going to do something here. If I put... I'm just thinking if I put 20... Right. Honestly, it's going to work this, right? I've got £3 left in here. I'm going to take 3 out. I'm putting 25. And then that's the equivalent of marking off that 22. Honestly, it's right. Trust me on this. I wouldn't, but 22, yeah. I'm going to cross off the 22. Kablam, right. Very complex. And yeah, no, I've still not got the other pen. Which I've been saying I'm going to sort as well. Well, I like the blue one anyway, it looks pretty. So that's that one. That's one way of getting the higher numbers done, isn't it, I suppose? And then what else? I haven't got any £2 for the coin drop. I can take this out now because I've completed this. Somebody put a really rude comment on the video the other day. I know I shouldn't let rude comments... I don't even know why I'm giving them the time of day, to be fair. Obviously a troll. It's just... Oh, it was about me paying for Jessica's birthday. I'd like basically give an equivalent of like £200 in gifts when I count the Liza, and plus like paying for the meal. And she was like, well, I hope your niece doesn't see this because you're just rude and complaining. I'm like, I've literally just happily given the girl a load of money and a load of gifts. I'm not sure which video she was watching. I'm pretty sure it wasn't mine though. Anyway, why do we even entertain these trolls? I do not know. It's like... Thank you for everyone else who's lovely. Gosh. Right, let's throw 20 in my birthday. As I did want 250. I don't think I'm going to get that 250 unless I get a magical windfall, you know, win a competition or a game show or a lottery that I don't play. Clothing's still not got anything. I'm on this mission since going back to the gym. I'm like, I want to lose some weight. And if I start to lose some weight, it might be an incentive, and I'll be like, do you know what, I'm going to put some in there. Or maybe I should put some in there, and that would be my incentive to lose the weight. I don't know. Since I'm in Alexandra, I've not really lost much of the baby weight at all. We had COVID and went nowhere, and then now I can go somewhere. I've got a 2-year-old around my neck most of the time. I need to exercise to lose weight. It's the only way it's going to work. And I enjoy exercise, which is, look, it's just, I don't get to do it enough. I did take him to the gym with me last week, and that was interesting because luckily I can take him with me. But yeah, what am I doing? Let me just do my coin penny saving challenge first of all, and then what I've got and what I've got left in terms of notes. I know I'm not really going to use any of the notes here, but what do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, £8. Okay. So I need some numbers that's going to add up to £8. Let me just grab this. Let's do. What if I do £8? Take away the 362. That's a high one we can get rid of. So let's do a 362. I'm going to put it all together, and then what if I take off the 360? What's left then? And 78p, that'll do. There we go. We've got 3 of them done with that £8. I know it's a cheats way of doing it, and I don't care. Put a mean comment in there. Go on. Double dare you. It's all good. Every time you comment, by the way, it sort of helps the algorithm. So I don't mind if it's a thumbs up or okay, I do mind, obviously. If it's a thumbs down or a grumbling comment. But yeah, it helps the algorithm. It gets us out there. Right, let's see what else I've got. You just got to take these things with a pinch of salt, because what have I got left? I don't even know what I've got here. It's been silly. Right. 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 40, 150. Which, what do I have coming up? I've got that in September, but I'm quite happy. There's quite a lot of the going in there. So I'm going to shove in 100 into debt. 20, 40, 60, 81, because I couldn't get any in this week. Do you know what? I'm tempted to put some in the in my days out ones, just because I'm going away. I'm going to Scotland the week after. Petrol. I need to put some in petrol. I do need to put some in petrol because I've got to get to Wales and I've got to get, gosh, to Scotland. So it's like 2 complete extremes, and the price at the moment is silly. Very, very silly. So you might actually get this one out on time. I'm going to be working late today to get this out for you. Let's do, let's get 20 into petrol. And then put this into, I tend to go walking in Scotland, to be fair. I'll put 10 into days out, see what's left, because I've still got a week. And then 20 into eating out again. Whew. Right, that is all my Etsy Money stuff for this week. Thank you so much for joining me. Sorry about my grumbling. You know what I'm like. You deal with me. It's all good. And I will see you really, really soon. Have an amazing week. Bye.